Hey everyone, welcome back to Streaming Notes, and I am back with another video. And guys, it has been a little while. I have not done any video, and I'm sorry about that. I have been very busy with my job and other stuff as well, so everything is taking place at the same time. So I'm very sorry you couldn't do any video, but I will be back and I will do more videos for you, and I miss you guys. So today we're gonna talk about the OnePlus 5 update. I just received a notification that 9.0.4 Oxygen OS is available, and it is very unusual that OnePlus 5 comes out so soon with another update. But all of us know why they did that, because 9.0.3 was so buggy and has so many issues, so they thought, let's give them an update. And I hope that this update will fix all the issues. I have not updated my phone yet, but I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to show you what this update brings to the phone and what they have done in this update. So Oxygen OS 9.0.4 is now available for OnePlus 5 users, and we're going to update it and we're going to see how our phone performs. The previous version had serious issues with messaging, with fingerprint sensor, and other issues as well. Some reported that they are not able to connect to Wi-Fi. Some report that they are not able to connect to data. Some reported a lot of issues were reported by users from all around the world. So let's see how this update goes. So let me go into my settings here, and let me just minimize this a little bit. And now from here I will go into my Android settings. So trying to check in my settings, PQRS, where is it? So it's right here at the bottom right corner, and I'm gonna click on it. And right now we're inside the settings, and then you can see at the top I have this notification already. System update is available, but I'm not gonna go through that option. System option here, and then in here go on to system updates, click on it, and then it shows checking updates. So you can see OnePlus 5 Oxygen OS 9.0.4, and the update size around 1.5 gigabytes to around 1800 MBs, around 2 gigabytes we can say. So, and what it does: so system update Android security to patch to 2019.1. So Android security update, and then there is improved stability for system upgrade. Okay, general bug fixes and system improvements. This is what I like about this update, that there are bug fixes. They might have noticed, because a lot of people reported that OnePlus 5 9.0.3 had a lot of bugs, and here you go, general bug fixes and system improvements. We're going to check out whether it really fixes those bugs once we update it. Okay, phone, deep integration with Google Duo, and then there is networks, and it says improved network stability. So any of you out there having issues with their network, if your network is not stable, they have improved that as well. So definitely we're going to download this, and we're going to check out what kind of a difference it brings on the phone. Okay, I reported in a separate video already that what issues I was facing with the OnePlus 5 9.0.3 update, and I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description of this video. In case you want to check that, you can check that out. And now we're gonna hit download. So let's download this, and it says current network is 2G 3G 4G, continue to download the info from free phone carrier. So I'm gonna hit continue to download, and now let us wait for the download to complete. So I have updated my OnePlus 5 to Oxygen OS 9.0.4, and guys, I showed you that how you can download it, and once you download it, you just need to hit reboot to restart. That's the only option you need to hit, and it will be updated. Your phone will be updated to the latest operating system, that is Oxygen that is Oxygen OS 9.0.4. And now we're gonna test out the applications, the things that were not working so well on the older 9.0.3 Oxygen OS. So let's see how that works. And before I go ahead with that, you can see it shows me system has been updated successfully here. System was successfully updated. So I'm gonna remove this notification. And now the first and the most worrisome thing in the previous update was the fingerprint sensor. So let's check that out. Settings, security and lock screen, and then you have to go on to fingerprint. And then click on next. Confirm your pattern, whether it's a pattern or maybe a password, and then click on next. Set up your fingerprint. So I'm gonna set it up now. I'm gonna see how this works, guys, because it has really caused me a huge problem. So I'm gonna hit on add another at the bottom. You can see I have added my right thumb, and now I'm gonna add my left thumb, because sometimes, you know, the phone is in the other hand, so you should have that other thumb as well. So that is done. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to test out the fingerprint sensor and see how that works. And you know what? It is working really good, guys. So it is working awesome. And now let's test out the messaging application, another big bug on the previous OS. So let's check it out. Messaging. So the first icon that you see here is the messages application that came onto the phone by default. So I'm going to click on it, and this is going to be a real test. Wow. It just opened it in a blink of an eye. That is great, guys. They have fixed both these problems. And these were the two major problems that I had with the OnePlus 5 update. And guys, now I'm happy because they have fixed both these issues. The messaging application works really smoothly, and the fingerprint sensor as well is working really good. And for those who are having network issues, or those who are having, you know, connecting to Wi-Fi issues, these are also fixed, because now my Wi-Fi connects much faster than before. So definitely an improvement on this update. So all those people who are having issues with their OnePlus 5, it's all fixed now. Enjoy your OnePlus 5 phone, guys. Bye-bye.